Hello, so in this video we want to talk about binomial expansion, and this is a binomial in the bracket, this is another binomial in the bracket. And how do we expand it? Expansion is actually the multiplication of two binomials and we expand it to form another kind of polynomial. Now, the whole idea is that you take the first number in this first bracket, which is the first number of the first binomial, multiply it with everything here. After that, you take the second number, multiply it with everything here, and you are done. Then you simplify, like you have to solve, collect like terms and all of that. So you have 5x and you have x. So you multiply. Then you have 5x squared. Next, you have 5x and you have positive 7. 5 times 7 is 35, so that's plus 35x. 2 times x, that's plus 2x plus 14. Now, we have terms that are common. For example, this is 35x and this is 2x. When you add them together, you get 37x. So you bring the other things down. 5x squared plus 37x plus 14. Light work. So you notice that what we did first is that we multiply the first numbers, or the first terms. We multiply them, the first and the first. Then we multiply the outer, which is the first year and the last year, because this is the outside, this is the outside. So we multiply the outer. Then we multiply the inner, which is the second and the first year. Then we multiply the last, which is the last year and the last year. And that is the mnemonic, like, for remembering how to multiply them. So we have this question as well. Now that we already know how this is done, so I'll be fast with this. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. 2 times x is positive 2x. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So negative 2x and positive 2x will give us 0. So our answer is x squared minus 4. Alright, if you have any question, kindly drop a comment, and if you like the video, kindly like it, share with people who need this, and see you on the next one.